Let's look at the ingredients to make this recipe. For marination, we need 4 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin powder or jeera powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon mustard oil. You can use any other oil, but I like using mustard oil. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal powder. This is the chana dal which we normally use in chudas which we make. And juice from half lemon, some salt to taste, 250 gram of diced paneer, 1 medium sized onion. Separate the layers and cut those into big pieces, and 1 medium sized capsicum cut into big pieces. For frying paneer, onion and capsicum, we need 1 tablespoon oil. Now let's look at the ingredients we need to make the gravy. 2-3 tablespoons of oil to fry the onions, 3 medium sized sliced onion, 5 almonds, 3 medium sized tomatoes boiled, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 slit green chili, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, little bit of red food color. This is optional, but if you want to get restaurant style paneer tikka masala, you may add this. Half cup of water, 2 tablespoon crushed fenugreek leaves which we call kasuri methi in Hindi. Now let's look at the recipe. We'll start with making marinade for our paneer, capsicum and onion. For that, take 4 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, add turmeric powder, crushed black pepper and coriander powder. Add chaat masala, cumin powder and garam masala powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal powder. So this is the dal which we use in chuda as I mentioned earlier. Juice from half lemon. This is a medium sized lemon. Make sure to remove the seeds. Some salt to taste. Now give this marinade a good mix. Now drop the paneer pieces one by one in this marinade. And gently mix the paneer so that every paneer piece gets coated with the marinade. Make sure you do it gently, otherwise the paneer pieces will break. Now in the remaining marinade, add the onions and capsicum. Again mix this so that every onion piece and capsicum gets coated with the batter. Now let this marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes and now we're going to shallow fry the paneer, capsicum and onion. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil on a skillet or tawa and place the paneer pieces like so. Now cook these paneer pieces on high flame so that they turn golden brown on both the sides. Flip the paneer pieces when they are done from one side. The paneer looks done now. Now I'm going to take this out on a plate. On the same skillet, now add onion and capsicum and fry these on high flame for 2-3 minutes. Once done, take this out on a plate and keep aside. We'll now start with the preparation of gravy. Now heat 2-3 tablespoons of oil. Now add 3 medium-sized sliced onion. Fry these till these become golden brown in color. So these are now almost done. At this point, we are going to add almonds to this. Add 5 almonds and again saute this for 2-3 minutes. One tip I would like to give here is that always fry onions on high flame. Here I've taken 3 medium-sized tomatoes which I boiled for 15 minutes. These are now cooled completely. Take the skin off like this. And remove the eye portion of the tomatoes. Now puree these tomatoes without adding water and the onions by adding water to a smooth paste. So here you can see I have pureed both tomatoes and the onions. Now we are going to make the gravy. Heat 1/4 cup of oil in a pan. Such kind of gravies take more oil than your usual gravies. I added less oil in the beginning, so I had to heat the oil and add later. So you guys use 1/4 cup of oil. Now add 1 slit green chilli to the oil, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, saute this for a minute. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Again saute for a few seconds. Now add garam masala, chaat masala, crushed black pepper, coriander powder. Saute this for a minute or so. At this time, this smells so good. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder to this. Stir this for a few seconds. Now add fried onion paste to this. Mix this well. Stir for a few seconds. Now add the boiled tomato puree to this. Give this a good mix and let it simmer for a few seconds. Now add a little bit of red food color, this is optional. Add half cup of water. Now cover and cook until the oil separates from the sides of the masala. Do not forget to stir this occasionally. You can see the oil has separated from the sides of the masala. Now add 2 tablespoons of crushed fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, some salt to taste, Now to this bubbling hot delicious gravy add the paneer, capsicum and onion pieces. Now mix this well and cook for a few more seconds, not more than that. And your Paneer Tikka Masala is ready to be served.